Now I will withdraw $20,000 from my balance, and how I earned this money I will show further in the video, so sit back and let's get started. How to withdraw your money. To do this, you need to click Finance and click Withdrawal. Next, you need to choose where you're going to withdraw to. In my case, it will be USDT TRC20. Next, you need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. In my case, it's $20,000. Next, you insert your cryptocurrency wallet and click Continue. As you can see, the application is successfully completed, and I will share the result of this withdrawal in the BoosterBot Telegram channel. So be sure to follow the link and subscribe to this Telegram channel. The results of the withdrawal will be waiting for you there. But before the deposit overclocking, I want to remind you that all this week there will be a very strong news background. If you don't know what it is, keep some screenshots to understand what movements you can pick up. With BoosterBot it's easy to do this, and now you're going to see it in practice, so this week is great for making money on such a big news background. And now I move on to overclocking your deposit. With the withdrawal sorted out, now let's see how I did my overclocking. First of all, I chose the expiration time, or in other words, the time per trade, 1 minute, and chose about 50% of my deposit for each trade. That is the first deal I need to open $1,700. Next, the choice of currency pair. I need currency pairs that have very large payouts. Let the very first currency pair will be the euro dollar. I choose this currency pair, go to BoosterBot, activate it, choose euro dollar, and the time for the trade is 1 minute. I get a sell signal. I immediately open my sell trade. The last moment I was scared by the price, but I earned $1,500 from the first trade. That's a great score. And further, I am ready to open my deal for $2,500. But now I will choose another currency pair. Let it be the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc. I select this currency pair in BoosterBot. The time for the trade is also 1 minute. I get a sell signal. Right from here I open my sell trade, and as you can see there is a good downward movement on this currency pair. Accordingly, I can expect this movement to continue, which means that this trade is already safe. So what do you need to increase your deposit quickly? The first is the expiry time of 1 or 3 minutes. It is a large payout on each currency pair. That is more than 70%. And the third factor is risk management. Yes, you will have to take risks in order to increase your deposit very quickly. The first risk did not justify itself, and I lost $2,500. Now I have to cover this disadvantage, and I am ready to take a risk and open my deal for $1,700 again on this currency pair. I get a sell signal and open my sell trade immediately. As you can see, I'm risking a lot, but it is worth it. The more the success rate of signals from BoosterBot is equal to 85%. The excellent movement brings me another $1,500. I will open the next deal for $2,000 again on the same currency pair. I get a sell signal again, which means the downtrend is continuing. Another good trade brings me $1,800, and the next trade I am ready to open for $3,000. Already twice the amount on my balance is more than it was initially. I will change the currency pair to Euro Swiss franc. I think this currency pair will be a little safer. I get a sell signal again, and from here I open my sell trade. A beautiful deal brings me $2,500, and as you can see, almost tripled my deposit, and the next deal I can open for $4,000. Again on the Euro Swiss franc, a relatively safe currency pair. I get a sell signal again and immediately open my trade. And I will remind you that BoosterBot is absolutely free and it is available at the link in the description. And if you do not get something, in the description and in the attached comment, you will find a support account where you just need to write your question and they will answer it and help you to activate BoosterBot, and you will be able to earn the same amount of money. Amounts. Great deal. 3,400 I earned from it. Already almost $12,000. The next deal I can open for $5,000, and unfortunately this is the limit. Further, I cannot raise my bet, so I will open the next deal for $5,000. Again, Euro, Swiss franc, if you have found a good currency pair, you better hold on to it and open some trades. I'm getting a buy signal. I get a buy signal and I open my buy trade right away. A great deal brings me $4,600 and already $16,000 on my balance. The next deal I want to open on the euro dollar, quite a risky deal. But let's try together with the booster bot to make money on this currency pair. And I get a buy signal and immediately open my buy trade. Great final deal brings me another $4,600, and as you can see, from 3,000 bucks I made $21,000 on my balance. This means that for this video I earned $18,000 with the help of BoosterBot. At the same time, I had one disadvantage in the beginning, because of which I was very much at risk, but as you can see, thanks to the BoosterBot I was able to correct this situation and earned a good amount of money. I remind you that the booster bot you will find at the link in the description. You do not need to download anything, you only need a Telegram. You go to the booster bot, click start, and then the booster bot sends you all the instructions you need to follow. If something does not work out, you follow the link in the description and write to the support account, where you will be happy to help you and answer all your questions. That's all for today. See you soon.